Okay, guys, we're back. Our chicken is done. Look at the, oh, it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Gonna get us a piece out. I'm gonna taste it for you. Be a little hot. Listen, guys, we cook 400 covered, and then when I uncover, because I cook it at 400 degrees, uncover it, cook it for another 20 minutes, but bump your heat up to 425, okay? Delicious. Okay. That's it, guys. Barbecue chicken. And we always, like I said, we fix up our barbecue sauce. Y'all can go back and watch how we do that. But there you go. Delicious. Love you.